Hi, this is Laura Turner, and today I'm going to talk with you about selling books by mail. There are so many different ways to sell things and buy things today with the good graces of the internet, and also of course we still have stores in which we can buy things. So it's very easy these days to really start your own business and start selling things to people all across the country without really even ever having to have a shop. What you can do is you can actually sign up through Amazon.com in order to get your business going, and then start selling from your house if you would like to. All these books and at competitive prices, and you can actually, of course, see your competitors' prices on Amazon.com as well. So in order to sell your books by mail, you're going to want to be prepared for orders to come in. So you're going to actually want to have bubble wrap and packing materials handy so that you can ship your orders promptly, and that you can get good reviews on Amazon.com, so people will choose you over the many other options that they have on that website. And make sure that you get the word out there about your little business, and encourage customers to rate your service. Whenever they get the package, you might even give them a little reminder in the package to do that for you, so that they can recommend you to others, so you can actually amass lots of good reviews for yourself. And also, if you're selling books by mail, a lot of times people are looking on Amazon because they can't find things in the store. So think about things that you can carry that people have a demand for, that they cannot find readily available anywhere else, and actually get many copies of these things, and try to market yourself as a unique bookseller in that way. So it's just some ways to sell books by mail.